I see what Matt has been up to. Oh, look at that. He's been an inchworm.
Oh, hello, Mr. Scooty.
I've been an inchworm. Oh.
Matthew, who's hungry?
Snooze bar.
Look at that. That's what he...
Snooze bar. Give me 10 minutes.
How funny.
No.
No.
Get out.
All right, now it's time for some breakfast.
I'm not having any of that.
But Cooper wants his snooze bar.
What a cute face you're wearing this morning. Look at that. Look at that face. Look at that face. Oh.
Perhaps who wants to go outside? There's squirrels to do.
I'm a heartbreaker, huh? I'm a little heartbreaker. Oh. Morning, sweetie. Oh, little tiny. Oh.
Come on.
He scooted himself all the way down from... You scooted yourself out of your hat. Oh. Ready to eat, huh? Oh. 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 Ready for some breakfast. Okay. You're too cute for words, little sir. Yes, you are.